basis of photosynthesis, and that concept is factors affecting photosynthesis. So as we know, photosynthesis is a process by which green plants can prepare their own food by using carbon dioxide, water, and even chlorophyll. By the word chlorophyll, we mean that chlorophyll can absorb the sunlight. So we can say sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide is required to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Now, what are the factors that can affect this process? So the first factor which can affect this process is the light. Because photosynthesis always occurs in daytime, it never occurs in the night. Because whenever there is daytime, so there means there is presence of solar energy, and that energy is trapped by the chlorophyll. So longer is the daytime or longer is the sunlight that is achieved, longer will be the photosynthesis process that will continue in the plants. So we can say that longer is the daylight, longer is the process of photosynthesis that will continue. Photosynthesis continue for a longer period of time. The next factor which can affect this process is the temperature. So as we know, temperature is always maintained in the daytime. So we should have an optimum balance of temperatures. It should neither be too hot, it should neither be too cold. Because all the biological processes, that is either photosynthesis or transpiration, even water cycle, all these things happens in an optimum level of, or we can say in the best category or in the best range of temperatures. It should not neither be too hot or neither be too cold. The third factor which affects photosynthesis is that there is presence of water. Now we can say that water is actually the main component of this process, and water is absorbed by the roots. Sometimes roots absorb the water, or sometimes during the rain the leaves also absorb the water. Now when there is water inability, or the plants don't have much water in leaves or in the plant body, so what happens is that the stomata, that are the small openings on the leaves, the stomata will close. The stomata will close, that point will help to reduce the presence of transpiration. So we can say that the closing of the stomata will prevent the transpiration. And transpiration is the process by which the water is released from the stomata and goes into the atmosphere. So it is the excess water removes from the leaves. We can say that transpiration must be prevented, because also the water in this plant is very less, and if transpiration will occur, the water will release more from the plants and the plant can even die. So whenever there is water inability or less of water in the plants, the stomata will close automatically, thus they will prevent the transpiration. And the fourth factor which affects photosynthesis is the presence of carbon dioxide. As we know, in the atmosphere we have 0.03% of carbon dioxide, and when the carbon dioxide percentage increases in the environment, the photosynthesis process also increases. But we should know that as carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, by the word greenhouse gas we mean that they increase the global atmosphere, global temperatures of the earth, and whenever there is global temperature increase, that is actually a pollutant for the earth. So we should reduce the carbon dioxide emissions as far as possible, but we should know that whenever the percentage of this gas increases in the environment, the process of photosynthesis also increases. So these were the four important factors which affect the process of photosynthesis. Light, because whenever there is daylight, the process will continue for a longer period of time, and when it will have an optimum balance of temperatures. Also whenever there is presence of water, so they can absorb from the roots or from the leaves. But whenever there is loss of water or less water is required in the plants, the stomata will automatically close, and they will prevent any loss from the plants, that is they will prevent the process of transpiration. And the fourth was the component of carbon dioxide. So as the component of carbon dioxide increases in the environment, the process of photosynthesis also increases. So this was the concept on factors affecting photosynthesis.